In this video, I'll share how I made my first $10,000. However, it's important to note that what worked for me might not necessarily work for you. I'm simply offering insights to my journey of $10,000. So let's begin. Remember, when TikTok compilation and challenge videos were all over YouTube? Yeah, you guessed it right. I was one of the YouTubers creating them. Now, I know you probably have a lot of questions, like,
but you can't monetize those videos.
Didn't you get copyright strikes?
Why would you stop if you were making so much money?
But don't worry, I'm going to answer all of them. But first, I'm going to tell you why I chose to post other people's TikTok videos, why I didn't simply start my own YouTube channel. First reason, those types of YouTube channels were so easy to grow. It took me less than 5 months to get 200K subscribers. I wish that was the case with my current channel. Anyways, second reason, it was so easy to make those TikTok compilations. I mean, you just edit multiple videos together, and I was lazy back then, but not anymore. Now, the third reason is, I was kinda camera shy. I mean, I still am. I still make faceless videos, but that doesn't mean my channel is any less valuable. You'll see me in your dreams if you don't subscribe. Now, let's go back to those burning questions. What was it again?
But you can't monetize those videos.
Oh yeah, yes, those videos don't get monetized. But the thing is, you don't really need YouTube monetization to make money from YouTube. As long as you have an audience, there are plenty of other ways to make money from YouTube. Now, second question.
Didn't you get copyright strikes?
Good question. While I received a copyright claim on every single video, fortunately, I didn't get any strikes. Yes, those are two different things. But that doesn't matter if your plan doesn't involve making money solely from YouTube monetization. Third question, please.
Why would you stop if you were making so much money?
There are 3 reasons why I stopped posting those videos. Firstly, I started to realize that I was slowly losing my views. At first, I was getting an incredible amount, like 400K or 500K views on every single video. I even hit 100 million views on one video. It was insane. But around the COVID era, when everyone was quarantined, I began to notice a decline. It got to the point where I was only getting 7K or 9K on my new posts. Secondly, I wanted to create my own content, rather than simply reposting others' TikTok videos. And lastly, I realized the potential for far greater earnings with my own channel. Those were the 3 reasons I stopped posting those videos. What do you think? Did I make the right decision? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now that I've played the role of psychic and answered all the questions you didn't even know you had, let's move on to the juicy part. Alright, let's break it down. Here are the methods I used to hit my first $10,000 with TikTok compilation channel. And guess what? It's all about to unfold. First method, affiliate marketing. Probably the most popular one. So there I was, minding my own business, when out of the blue, a fashion affiliate company slides into my DMs and says,
Hey, we'll give you $5 for every sale you bring in.
And I said,
hell yes.
After that, my average income ranged was between $300 to $400 every week. Like a reliable friend, they paid me every Monday without fail. And guess what? My highest earning from them was a whopping $700. Now, that's what I call turning DMs into dollar bills. Now, onto my second method, promotion. I started reaching out to small TikTokers and offered them promotion on my channel for a fee. Of course, it was a win-win situation. They got exposure, and I got some extra cash in my pocket. I'd charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per promotion, and let me tell you, it added up fast. In fact, I was making $200 to $300 every month just from these promotions alone. So those were the only methods I was using to make money with my TikTok compilation channel. At the height of the moment, I thought I was going to swim in millions, but it ended as fast as it started, only making me a little over $10,000. But hey, hitting that first $10,000 milestone was a victory in itself. What do you think of my journey to $10,000? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Stay awesome, and don't forget to subscribe or you will see me in your dreams.